Little Run Stop.
In a world of furry friends, animal sounds never end. From the forest to the sea, let's sing their names with glee. The cow goes moo, moo in the field. The sheep bleats baa, baa as it yields. The duck quacks, quack, quack by the lake. The pig grunts, oink, oink, for goodness sake. The dog barks, woof, woof, in the park. The cat meows, meow, meow, with a spark. The horse neighs, neigh, neigh, as it runs. The goat calls, ma, ma, under the sun. The dog barks, whippet, whippet, in the pond. The bird chirps, tweet, tweet, of whom they're fond. The bee buzzes, buzz, buzz, in the air. The lion roars, roar, roar, with a flare. The owl hoots, 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 in the night. The mouse squeaks, squeak, squeak, in delight. The rooster crows, cock-a-doodle-doo, at dawn. The cricket chirp, 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 on the lawn. The elephant trumpets, toot, toot, loud and grand, loud and grand. The dolphin clicks, ee, 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 near the sand. The monkey chatters, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, in the tree. The wolf howls, ah, woo, wild and free. In our animal orchestra, each one plays a part. With the sounds and voices, they sing straight from the heart.
For watching.